I would like you to be able to give me your exam on Friday. I will send you the actual exam Wednesday, and we'll do an honor system thing where you can take it whenever you need to. You can take it Wednesday night, you can take it Thursday, you can take it Friday morning, but I do want you to give me the exam by Friday at noon. But I'm giving you a practice exam now, and that will give you plenty of time to feel like you're prepared, and then when you do take the exam, you'll be ready for it. I'm not going to spend too much time on the practice exam, but I will just walk you through some of my expectations. So, on this first section, it's really just review. We've been working on spelling these chords, and you'll need to be able to put a key signature in, and then give me either the dominant or give me the leading tone of that next chord, and you'll need to have the right accidentals. It's the kind of thing that you really need to be thinking outside the key what accidentals you'll need. Now, the next section is I have some part writing, and there will be some secondary chords in there. And we already had a long lesson on the part writing, and I think most of you are in pretty good shape. But there is one thing that I'm going to point out that will be on the exam that I want you to remember. Look at the third one. On this one, we have a root position 7 going to another root position 7. When you have this, I strongly recommend that you make one of them, either this or this, make one incomplete. So I will put one of these on here. I will have 2 5/7s in a row, 5/7 of something, 5/7 of something. So just make sure if you make either the last one incomplete or the first one incomplete, you will find it's a lot easier to do the part writing. You'll find voices go where they're supposed to. To make it incomplete, you drop the 5th and you add in a root. And you only need to do that on one of those chords. Don't do it on both. Just make one of them incomplete and you'll be in good shape. The next section is a figured bass. And again, you'll notice that there are some altered tones. This one's in G minor. So you might expect a C F sharp. That's a normal one. But seeing stuff like B natural or a flat 7 or a natural here and an altered tone there, those are the ones that you should probably be mindful of. This one looks a lot like the one we did on the other page, but it will give you some good practice. So make sure you know that this is going to be a secondary chord. You know that will also be a secondary chord. At the bottom, there will be some analysis, and this will include regular harmonies and secondary harmonies. You shouldn't have too much trouble spotting the secondary harmonies because they will have accidentals, right? G sharp and F natural are not in the key of G. C sharp and B flat are not in the key of G. So you know that that's going to be 5 of something or 7 of something. Here's another one, F natural. Here's a C sharp. So again, you can tell where the secondary chords are going to go. I'm going to go ahead and play this for you. I'll play it for you twice. so that's the exam. When you take it, you'll be on the honor system. You'll have 55 minutes, and then you'll snap a picture when you're all done. So this is the practice exam. I will send out the real exam on Wednesday. Thanks.